What an absolutely awesome day for Bitcoin today. Bitcoin is up, let's see, about 5% on the day, or $3,423 as I speak these words. Today is Monday, May 20th, and Bitcoin had an awesome breakout day. It even tested and surpassed 70,000. It tested 68, 69, 70, even got close to 71,000. We were at 70,400-ish today. So what an awesome day for Bitcoin. So how did you take advantage of today's Bitcoin pump? Were you trading today? Do you have your money in any Bitcoin bots? Well, let me show you some things that I did. I'm going to quickly come over here. Let's take a look at the charts first. So here's this Bitcoin chart. As you can see today, it started off with a pump and it went up, up, and up starting in the morning and didn't really look down until mid-afternoon, came down a little bit. It's correcting right around that $70,000 mark. We are at 69,700. It's bouncing around, testing 70 again. And I suspect with all the indicators out there, now this is not financial advice. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. This is not sponsored content. If you're not a subscriber, like, subscribe, share right now, because I'm going to show you some stuff I did today. And, if you watched my Sunday video yesterday, you'll see that I had 142% return last week in this one trading strategy. Now, I'm not ready to show you the trading strategy. That's going to be a video later this week. So subscribe now. I will show you how I got these returns. This is Bitcoin today. Bitcoin absolutely pumped. And let me see if I can make this a little bit bigger. Okay, there we go. So Bitcoin absolutely pumped today. If you look at this right here, it was down all the way down here, and it went. These are some of my ceilings of resistance and floors of support here. And I'm in a little trade. I'm slightly losing right now, but no big deal. We got more time left on that one. But it went up and up and up. It tested 70,45 or 70,400-ish. Came back down. It's testing 70,000 again. I'd like to close today above that line, that 70,000 line. There's just so much positive momentum out there. Ethereum up 18% right now. Doge up 8%. Solana up 9-10%. So the market reacted in kind. They love seeing Bitcoin rocket out. So let's take a look at this. So today, as you can see, this is a live trading account. I hope it doesn't have any of my personal information on here, but if it does, just disregard it, okay? Be a gentleman or a gentle lady, gentlewoman, and just disregard it. Here's my P&L today. That's not correct. Let's say here we go. So here we go. This is all live stuff. Today's P&L up 47% trading today. I have one trade still out there. It's going to close automatically when it hits profit. I'm pretty sure it'll end profitable. So this is going to be even better. You can see it's fluctuating as this is a live account. I didn't BS this. And so my strategy has proven to be eventful. In the last 7 days, up 258%. It doesn't hurt that Bitcoin's been on a bull run, in the last couple of days. But my strategy doesn't care. I look at the 1 minute candles. I don't look at the 5, the 15, the 30-minute candles. I look at the 1 minute candles. I'm in and out of trades in minutes. Sometimes it takes hours, but I'm not in them for long. And as long as I'm watching the trend correctly, I do well. I'll talk about it real briefly. This was meant to be just a short update video. And if you look at the trades I made, does it tell me look, I love these cards. Today, 48%. It's changing. There's a referral code down here if you want to check it out. 258% in the last 7 days trading. I'm down 20. This is the bad part. I had my ass handed to me, excuse my language, for several weeks until I found a trading pattern that worked for me, a trading indicator that worked for me. I was down. I lost thousands of dollars until I figured out and honed it in. Now, I'm only 2 weeks into this one, so don't go. I'm not sharing with you. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. I haven't shared with you how I'm doing it yet because, I feel like it's just not enough time. But basically what I do, and this is just a short version, I'll get into the longer version in the next video, the absolute next video I do. But what I do is I look for on the 1 minute candle, because these are scalping trades. These are meant to be in and out of quickly. I look for moments of opportunity based on the moving average convergence divergence. If you go back here, if you go right here, if you look at this spot right here, Bitcoin's on a downtrend. This divergence showed it was on a downtrend. That blue line was below the red line, okay? And then right when this crossed over, it's a buy signal right here. If I can paint that right here, was the buy signal. You hold that buy signal until there's another cross, the sell signal. So, oops, let's get back here. And then that sell signal, had I rode this up, I would have sold right there, bought right here, based on right here. See that line? So had I done this trade right here, I would have realized, let's see, let's take a look at those two, where they are. And let's do a little ruler here from here to right here. It's $379 difference on the trade. So if I was in a leverage position, I do it at 225% leverage. Let me move my face. 225 leverage, which is a lot. You got to be real careful with this. This is not for everybody. You will lose money if you don't know what you're doing or just get in a bad trade. Bad trades happen. I'm not 100% on my trades. I think I won all but one trade today. I had a lot of trades today. They're all automatic. I was at work doing my thing and these things popped off. Many of them did. Okay, so watch this. So if I take that 379, if I had a $100 trade, well, $100 times 225 would get me $22,500 worth of leverage or with of trading power. Now, if the Bitcoin's at, let's say, 68,000 or 69,000, that's about 33%. So on a $100 trade, 379 times 33%, I would have made $125 on this trade in a matter of 15 minutes. See, probably about 15 minutes. I would have made about $100 on $125 on a $100 trade. Those are rough numbers, but that's what I'm doing. So I'll go more into depth and more of this indicator alone won't do it for you. There's more secret sauce. I'm going to share that all with you about trend directions, momentums, and buying and selling at the right time. You can keep going by here, by the way. You can keep going down here and find another opportunity. Here's another one. Well, that one closed above, but there's other opportunities along here, and I took them today. I did 3 trades while I was at lunch, okay? And so like you see right here, and I'm about to stop talking, but this is no joke. Today on my P&L Insights, there we go. It corrects 45% up today. So I've lost a few little bits of money since we've been talking. I better go correct that and make sure I'm in a good trade. But even if I lose that trade or I exit that trade right now at a loss, I'm still up on the day. If you go look at the individual trades, how do they let me do that? If I go look at the individual trading, like this is yesterday. So I've won, it looks like every other day I win, but I lose small and I win big. As long as you're winning bigger than you lose, it's a good effort. So let's just recap real quick. Bitcoin, it's testing that $70,000 mark. We did pass it. It's just sticking around that area. And if you look at the momentum Bitcoin has right now, whether it's the ETFs or retail investors, there's over 500 institutional investors that have been buying these Bitcoin ETFs to sell to their people or sell for their or buy for their people. And so there's a lot of momentum with Bitcoin. You look at what's going on in the world economy, it's starving for something like Bitcoin. Governments have spoiled printing of money and inflation's running out of control. All these things are happening. As inflation does start to cool and money gets cheaper, you're going to see it's just going to be fuel on the fire for Bitcoin. So I am certainly not telling you to buy Bitcoin or trade Bitcoin. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. If you're going to do these things, I do have some links down below, but that's all I got. Short message. Give me your thoughts, your comments. How do you trade? What was your trading day like? Talk to you soon.